Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to enter recovery mode. Recovery mode is special bootable partition on device that provides tools for troubleshooting and repairing system problems. In order to enter it on VIVO V60 Lite, firstly enter power menu and press restart. While restarting, press and hold power button and volume up button. Release the buttons when you see Android, and now enter recovery mode. Press power button to confirm. And here you can install software, clear data, check system and enter safe mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.